Hello friends, in this video I will show how to make a dotted line in Microsoft Word document. So open your Word document. You can insert different type of lines. If you want to learn these all type of lines how to insert, so check out my channel. Now to make dotted line, so press Shift plus asterisk key as a popular like star key, this one. So press sometimes, then enter. So you can insert this dotted line. Very simple and easy way. Shift plus star 3 times or more, then enter. That's it. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.